Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Wadzpay Wtk aftermath. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure, guys. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got an astonishing $60 off. And you can check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $139 off, guys, if you follow the link in the description box below. And folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including your favorite XDC network, guys. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check it out. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of Wadzpay at the time of the recording, guys. So the aftermath of the Wadzpay AMA that happened. Oftentimes, we have learned from history that whenever an AMA happens in Wadzpay, the price basically dips or plummets. This was the trend yet again, guys. The price dropped. Although the entire market is in red, most of the market, the coins that I know about are in the red. But Wadzpay also dropped a bit. If you look at the last 7 days, okay, so yeah. If you look at the last month, Wadzpay is down from almost 9 cents to 6 cents, although it went from 0.03329 all the way to the 9 cent mark. In my opinion, the next wave up, if we're going to be killing that zero whenever that is, whenever a pump happens, whenever that is basically, because a lot of community members are bullish about this AMA as well, but I've seen some disappointed as well. But I think majority of the people from the community, I think, were bullish on the after this AMA that Jason has done a good job. So check this out. In the last year, price has appreciated a lot. No support over here in the yearly. If we look at the all-time chart, do we have something to lean upon? Yeah, guys, we have support in the all-time chart to basically lean upon, and from here on forward, there is a chance to rebound. So yeah, let us now, guys, look into the aftermath of what happened after the AMA. What are the community saying? What is Jason saying? What has happened? So different sorts of news, negative, positive. Mostly, I think was positive. So, anyways, let us look into it. So this is from Hodls. Let me just summarize one absolute bombshell dropped by Jason towards the end of the AMA that further demonstrates the very real use cases for WTK utility in the not too distant future. Wadzpay will be issuing their stablecoin in 3 phases. By the way, guys, the AMA was about stablecoin ventures, so the topic was stablecoins. So basically, much more to talk about stablecoins than any other thing. Phase 1, white label coin leveraging third-party layer 1 solution. This is about being nimble and agile in getting to market swiftly and capitalizing the opportunity before competitors take an even larger share. Phase 2, Wadzpay becomes the issuer of the coin through traditional methods same as Tether, Circle, Paxos, like they've been doing. Basically, this is the phase 2. Phase 3 is the fully regulated under a central bank regulation or jurisdiction that recognizes stablecoins. So the third phase will be recognizing the stablecoins in the perspective of regulators and the legal aspects, guys, compliance. So let's just focus on phase 1 for now, given that this will be the first milestone. For Wadzpay stablecoin to be competitive, it will need to be launched on the large chains Ethereum, Solana, etc. This in no way negatively impacts Wadzpay WTK. In fact, it strengthens it even more through additional utility outside of first-party solutions launching on third-party chains is massively important for the growth of the business by getting something out the door as quickly as possible that obviously meets the expectations and fundamentals. So anyways, guys, using third parties being interoperable, but according to Mr. Hordles, the gas fees would be native to the chain. So Solana gas fees on Solana, Ethereum gas fees on Ethereum. Wadzpay will be using WTK token to pay third-party gas fees as a result of using third-party chains. So according to this, the total volume will be immense. Jason replied over here as well. So check this out. Yes, this is correct. All transactions on chain have gas fees. WTK will be the utility token used to pay all gas fees across all our business lines and operations, including our planned digital exchange for secondary market TXCNs of RWA tokens. So people have commented over here as well. Freeze Cuba for you. Will the WTK get burned? Thank you so much. People in the crypto community like tokens to be burned, huh? Are there any plans to increase the total WTK, or will it continue at 500 million? No, never gonna happen. Hopefully it stays the same, as why would they increase and dilute the value? This is a good point because they have increased the supply before. I won't sugarcoat it that, yeah, they didn't do it, they did it. So we hope that it doesn't happen again, obviously, because that obviously creates a lot of sell pressure and more tokens in the market. Let's hope not. Anyways, sorry I missed the AMA timing on Wadzpay Chain release. Wadzpay Chain, in my opinion, is a bit delayed, and I do not think that this year will be the launch of Wadzpay Chain. I would like to be surprised, but I do not think that this year Wadzpay Chain is going to launch. But as of right now, they're throwing rockets. Maybe Anish launches it. So let us look into what Jason has said. Thanks to everyone who joined the AMA. This will be the first of many since we will be having a lot of updates in the coming months and want to make sure the community is aware of our strategy and wins. Hopefully, you got a real taster of what is in store. So, yeah, I just enjoyed an amazing Sunday roast. So, what are the community saying? Let us look into the community posts. Many people underestimate how fast projects can really move when they are at a low market cap. All it takes is a few listings or one major T1 alongside an announcement about utility, and boom, higher prices are already programmed for WTK. The great reversal will happen. WTK ridiculously undervalued. So, what else? WTK is tokenizing mining and mineral assets of an African country worth nearly $1 billion each. So, yeah, what else do we have over here? I need some negative news as well as positive, because we want to look at both sides of the spectrum and see what the community is saying. Wadzpay will be launching Wadzpay Islamic. They will create a token called Sharia coin built on the Wadzpay chain in response to the Hajj and Pilgrim program that's already live on the private Wadzpay chain. People might say that why are they creating another token? And WTK will be needed for gas. So yeah, here is where WTK will be used as gas. So everyone in the WTK community should take a look at the transactions in this XDC wallet. It has transferred hundreds of millions of WTK into the BitTrue XDC wallet over the past year. I've been watching it for a long time, and this is where the dumps come from. So this might be the dumps that happen after an AMA. So I'm not saying that it is right, but we need all sorts of news. So Claire has responded over here. WTK fam, don't get fudded because based on this crap, this is the XDC WTK bridging wallet, for goodness sake. There are no dumps, just a guy who is down in the dumps because he lost his bag a year ago. Let us see what the people have commented. Okay, just round this off and close it. Perfect video below from CT Ruler with a concise explanation for shutdown of this like clockwork nonsense FUD. You got all the trolls out since you moved the goalpost to another 2 months. But he didn't move the goalpost at all. Still 2 weeks of media announcements for Wadzpay, plus 2 months of upgrades for WTK token and more strategy. It's pretty obvious that people, even though it's been explained multiple times how the cross-chain bridging works for WTK, why each chain has 500 million tokens, and that the reason so many move around. So he blocked me. I mean, I still think that the tokenomics are the basic, are the first thing that needs to be explained to a community. And to be very fair, to be very honest, I am extremely bullish on Wadzpay because because of their vision. But they have done shady things time and again, and the dumps after the MA. So I hope this isn't correct, but I've seen time and again in a lot of projects that these sort of things happen. This shady behavior happens despite that project being a winner eventually. So we hope that WTK is a winner, and the team totally clears out about the tokenomics, the minting, because there was a legit question that would you mint more questions in the future for use case or not? They need to cap it out, or they need to make something to basically make sure that nothing of that sort happens. Let's go WTK. So I think this was broken. CryptoPete, the technicals were broken over here. It went to even lower over here, around here recently. So swapped another 5,000 XRP for WTK. What else do we have? A good post over here. And just to clarify, yes, we are looking at strategy to improve the exchange listings for WTK, but please be patient as we are doing a root and branch analysis of WTK to make wholesale improvements per Anish tweets, but it is definitely a high priority initiative. So yeah. So, what do you guys think about this AMA that has happened? More news about stable coins, and a lot of community members are bullish, but there are others who are bearish as well. Check this out, Jason, with absolutely bullish information today. Wadzpay to tokenize assets, use case for WTK as gas fees for Wadzpay Chain. New Ripple hire has extensive understanding with stablecoins and a beast at communicating. So, I would like your opinions, guys. Do hit the comment box below to comment on what has transpired. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like the channel, subscribe it, and do follow Patreon if you're interested. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.